Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute?
You say you got a girl. Yeah, you want me. How you want me when you got a girl? The feeling is reckless. Of knowing it's selfish. Knowing I'm desperate. Get it on in your left.
I did not come to play with you hoes. I came to slay, bitch.
I see it, I want it. I stuck yellow on it. I dream it, I work hard, I grind till I own it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another hair tutorial. So today's video is proudly sponsored by DYHAIR777. So they sent over this beautiful unit, so I can show you guys how you can install it. So this is a 20-inch deep wave. It's a number 4 unit. That's how you see it's like this brown color-ish. Love, guys, I'm obsessed with, see how good I look, see that lace. Please stay tuned for the tutorial if you want to see how I install this unit.
See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. My heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you, running back to you. See my days are cold without you, while I'm with you. My heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one about me, and I was all you had. Though my heart is eating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. My heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you, running back. See my days are cold without you, while I'm with you. My heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you were always gone. And boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. My heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you, running back. See my days are cold without you, while I'm with you.
So right now I'm done installing the hair. You guys have seen the whole process. I want to wet it so that the curls can be more defined. Then I'll use my mousse. You guys will see all that. Then you'll see the difference between the hair when it's dry and when it's wet. You get me?
I wanna be your baby. Standing in it such a psychic game from Mayday. Like a listen on the proudly. Trying to get like this, it can't be right. You just been down on the night. Cause I can miss the things that I'm gon' do. Wow.
So this is how the waves look when they are semi-wet. I sprayed a bit of water, not too much, to see how the waves will look different from like when the hair is dry. So this is how they look. As you can see, the waves are now more defined. So yeah, this is like the final reveal of the unit. You guys can actually see how the unit looks like. One thing I love about this unit is that you can actually style it differently. So like the first style I did was a side part, then the next style was a wet middle part, and right now we have the half up, half down. So I love that this wig is versatile. You can literally switch it up any second, any minute to add a whole new different style. Love that about the unit. And also I told you guys the lace. Guys, the lace in this unit is so different from any other unit I've ever had. Like the lace is so different. Do you guys see the melt? Guys, the lace, I'm not even trying to exaggerate. I'm not even trying to like give them credit where it's not due. Like the lace, guys, the lace, that's where it is. You guys are about to see me overwear this wig a million times. Probably a million times. So all the details about this unit are going to be down in the description box in case anyone wants to purchase the same unit or go check other units in DYHAIR777's website. You can actually get the link to all the details down in the description box. And yeah, I hope you guys go buy a unit or two and look good. So sadly, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two from my hair tutorial, and hopefully you guys will see me on my next tutorial. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and join the family. And thank you so much DYHAIR777 for sponsoring today's video.